Alright, we got 6 minutes smoked by Brite Star Fireworks. I don't know if it's gonna last 6 minutes, but let's find out. Alright, 6 minutes, let's see. Let's get comfortable. There she goes. Enjoying a little brewski here. That's some nice little clouds. Some cloudage. Oh, I gotta love that smell. Reminds me when I was a boy. Which stinks though. Alright, let's see it go. Well, let's give out some nice thick smoke. Look at that. It's covering my yard, isn't it? So far it's pretty good, pretty strong. Look at that. So it's been about a minute. I doubt I'll last another 5, but let's see. Hope it doesn't blow up in my face. So far, it's working pretty damn good. These were fairly inexpensive. I think I got them for like $3 for 2 of these. Not too bad. Well, I think it's kind of slowing down a little bit. No, it's still going. Oh yeah.
It just takes its turn, eh? Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright guys, we're getting close to the 3-minute mark. Still going strong. They'll stop traffic with 4 of these. Look at all that thick smokage. Still going. Oh yeah, these are fun to play with. Alright, we're getting close to the 4-minute mark. Nah, it's not hot. Still going, guys. I don't know, it might make the 6 minutes.
This type of firewood delight at school.
Tell you what, guys, for the money, this thing's definitely worth it. Better than buying like a dozen of those crappy clay ones, which I have, by the way. Still gotta buy me another crap. And we're going on 5 minutes. Nice thick smokage. Yeah, maybe it's the last of it's getting all nice and thick. Oh, slowing down, guys. No, it's still going. All right, I don't hear any more noise. All right, well, I don't know. Is that considered still going?
If it's not 6 minutes, yes.
It's like 20 seconds away from it, so.
It's still going though.
It's still going. I mean, technically, it's still smoking. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna call it, and yeah, I say it definitely lasts 6 minutes. Not bad for $1.50.